Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jay Cook's Insights. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe the retail sector is poised for growth in the coming months, especially for companies like Walmart, TJX, and Dollar General. Despite the challenges faced by consumers, such as inflation and economic uncertainty, several key factors indicate a positive outlook for retailers. Many retailers like Walmart have adapted to the changing landscape by investing in e-commerce capabilities and offering competitive pricing and promotions to attract budget-conscious shoppers.
The current economic environment presents significant headwinds for the retail sector. Inflation has eroded consumers' purchasing power, forcing many to tighten their purse strings and prioritize essential spending over discretionary purchases. Moreover, the ongoing economic uncertainty has led to a decline in consumer confidence, which is a key indicator of future spending habits. Companies like Wayfair and Whirlpool have already warned that consumers are cutting back on big-ticket items.
I understand your concerns, Terry, but I believe you're underestimating the resilience of the American consumer and the strategies employed by certain retailers. Despite the challenges, personal consumption expenditures remain robust, particularly in categories such as travel, as evidenced by the strong performance of the Jets ETF. This suggests that consumers are still willing to spend on experiences and products that bring them joy and comfort during difficult times. Moreover, retailers like TJX and Urban Outfitters have successfully adapted to the new reality by investing in omnichannel strategies that seamlessly integrate online and offline channels, allowing them to capture a larger share of consumer spending and offset the impact of store closures.
While I agree that some consumers may continue to spend on experiences and products that bring them joy, this is likely to be limited to a smaller, more affluent segment of the population. The reality is that the majority of Americans are feeling the pinch of inflation and are being forced to make difficult choices about where to allocate their limited resources. Retailers like Ross, which primarily serve lower-income consumers, are likely to face significant challenges, as their target audience has little money to spend on discretionary items.
Terry, retailers like Walmart and Target have focused on offering value to consumers, which will likely drive traffic and sales as lower-income cohorts trade down. Additionally, companies such as Dollar TJX are expected to take more share from department stores, thanks to their strong brand relationships and potential for expansion in both domestic and international markets. While the macro backdrop remains volatile, I believe that retailers who have adapted to the changing landscape and focused on providing value to consumers will emerge as winners in the long run.
Many Americans have accumulated significant debt during the pandemic and may be forced to cut back on spending as they prioritize debt repayment and saving. Moreover, the structural changes in the retail landscape, such as the shift towards e-commerce and the increasing dominance of large players like Amazon, are likely to continue putting pressure on smaller retailers and those that have been slow to adapt, such as Macy's and Urban Outfitters. As such, I believe that the retail sector is likely to face a prolonged period of challenges and consolidation, with only the strongest and most agile players emerging as winners in the long run.
Thank you all for watching. Drop your thoughts and questions below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe for more insights.